Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 16, 2022. Today's video is about Government House, Baku. The Government House of Baku is a government building housing various state ministries of Azerbaijan. Construction took place between 1936 and 1952 and led to the formation of Lenin Square, later renamed to Azadliq Square, seen here. In 1955, a monument to Vladimir Lenin was installed in front of the building, but this was removed in 1990 during the Azerbaijani independence movement, in the aftermath of Bloody Black January. A large Azerbaijan flag now flies where Lenin's statue once stood. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.